In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an unpublished website on GoDaddy. If you have a website in your GoDaddy account that you no longer need and it hasn't been published, the process is fairly simple. The main thing to understand is that you'll be managing it through your account settings and subscription area, not directly from the website editor. I'll walk you through exactly where to go so you can remove the product properly. First, open the GoDaddy website in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. This is important, especially if you have more than one account or if you manage multiple products, because you'll only see the website connected to the account you're currently using. Once you're on the GoDaddy homepage and logged in, go to your profile. You'll usually find this in the upper right area of the screen. Click on your profile to open the account menu. From there, select My Products. This section shows the services and subscriptions linked to your account, including websites, domains, and other GoDaddy products. After you're in My Products, look for the Renewals and Billing section and click on it. This is where GoDaddy lets you manage your active subscriptions and renewal settings. If you're trying to stop being charged for a website you don't plan to use, this is the area that matters most. Next, click Manage Subscription. This will open the page where you can review the subscriptions attached to your account in more detail. Take a moment here and carefully locate the specific website you want to delete. If you have several products listed, double-check the name so you don't make changes to the wrong one. Once you've found the correct website subscription, toggle off Auto Renew. When you do that, GoDaddy will give you the option to delete the product. Follow that option to remove it. That's it. A quick tip before you finish. Make sure you are deleting the correct unpublished website, because once the product is removed, you may lose access to anything associated with it. Also, turning off Auto Renew is what leads you to the deletion option. So if you don't see delete right away, that's normal. And that's how to delete an unpublished website on GoDaddy. Follow these steps carefully and you should be able to manage it in just a few minutes.